In this video, we're looking at BMAT 2019, Section 2, Question 21. So this question gives us some statements and asks which are correct for a healthy human. So let's start off with the first one. A protein section coded by 500 base pairs will have a maximum of 166 amino acids. So we've got our 500 base pairs. How are we going to convert that to amino acids? What is this translation process? Well, to convert the DNA into amino acids, we only need one strand, so we're only going to use 500 bases of the base pairs, and then we're going to use the triplet code process. So bases are read in threes as part of the triplet code, so 3 bases go for 1 amino acid. 3 bases forming a codon, each corresponding to 1 amino acid. So how does that mean we're going to convert this? How many can we make? How many amino acids can we make from our 500 base pairs? Well, all we really need to do is divide 500 by 3, which does equal 166, and then we have 2 left over. An easier way to do it in an exam may be to times the 166 we've got here by 3 and see if it fits into our 500, which it does. We get 498, and we know that there can't be another one. We've only got 2 spare, so it must be a maximum of 166. We can therefore say that this statement is correct. Our second question. We've got a liver cell and a mature red blood cell will both have 46 chromosomes. So for this question, have a think about the function of the cells and what they may or may not need to carry out that function. Well, our liver cell is going to be our standard body cell. It's going to have 46 chromosomes. However, our red blood cells, their only purpose is for carrying oxygen. They don't need any genetic material and so have no nucleus and therefore have no chromosomes. So we can say that this statement is false. And then lastly, our final statement. The number of adenine bases in an allele must be equal to the number of guanine bases. Now have a think and remember which bases match up with each other. So we know that adenine always pairs with thymine and guanine always pairs with cytosine. They can't pair with each other, they must stick to the ATGC. This means that they won't necessarily be equal. The adenine and the guanine bases may not always be equal, and so that we can say this is false. And so because only this first statement is correct, we know that our answer is B.